All right, thanks for joining us on this Friday. Temperatures warming up significantly over 24 hours ago. We have seen 10 to 20 degrees boost in temperatures over what we were at this time yesterday. Here's the impacts of our weekend storm. It's still on. We'll still keep those first alert weather days, even though it's not going to impact Grand Forks or Fargo. Travelers in our region on this weekend, and a busy weekend of, well, high school events it is across Minnesota and the region. We'll keep that up to date. First and foremost, Saturday afternoon and night is when it starts. So if you can get to where you're going to be, then you should be all right. We're expecting areas of snow, ice, and even thunder. Some of the worst travel conditions in our region will be after 5 o'clock in the evening. And overnight, we will have some wind, and there could be some areas that get upwards of 1/10, 2/10 of an inch of ice, and put some snow on top of that. So some slippery travel will be highlighted across our area. Temperatures still near 30 degrees. Our wind not too bad at Hector. It's east-northeasterly, and it's blowing at 7 miles per hour. Snow, Winnipeg to Saskatoon. Storm system, you can actually see it starting to develop and churn its way over the Rocky Mountains right now. As we go into the later part of our day tomorrow, it will be impacting our region. Warm weather in the Central Plains for us. We've warmed up as well. That freezing line remains just down to the south. Sisseton 34, 30 in Fergus Falls, 21 Hallock, and 18 this hour in Langdon. All right, we mentioned last night a chance of some strong thunderstorms with this system. There is actually a risk with the shear in the atmosphere of seeing some isolated tornado activity in Iowa, maybe even into southern parts of Minnesota. Thunderstorms not out of the question, even into Minneapolis, and where you see this light green shade, thunder with sleet and snow. That means thunder snow is a possibility. All right, let's take a look at that hour-by-hour forecast. For our area tonight, breezy. Temperatures pretty steady through the evening, so get out and enjoy. A little cooler up to the north with wind chills in the single digits, but above zero. Overnight, we stay in the 20s south, teens north. It will be cloudy. The wind dies down a little bit, but it does shift and it becomes northerly. And that's how you start your Saturday morning. By the midday hours, well, we're going to see hit and miss snow showers across North Dakota, but nothing too heavy. Down in South Dakota, the storm is already going to be starting to take shape. So if you're heading down towards Sioux Falls or anywhere in that direction, it will be already beginning. The snow spreads into our area of I-94 in and around Otter Tail and Grant counties there, not far from you in Dalton and Sisseton Hills, the Wheaton area, seeing some snow. Moderate at times. It'll be a little heavier to the south and east of this area as we go through the day. It comes with some wind over 30 miles per hour. Temperatures pretty steady in the 20s through your afternoon. Late, as we go from 9 to say 3 in the morning, the gusty winds pick up and could exceed 40 miles per hour in a few spots. By Saturday night, we're expecting an isolated area of 4 to 6 inches, mainly southeast of our area. Notice how quickly it drops off. An inch or so south of Fargo. Fargo, I think under an inch for most of the FM area. Grand Forks, just a few renegade flakes possible. Here's that icing area. We've expanded the region from Duluth through the I-94 corridor all the way into the I-29 corridor in central South Dakota. We could have some ice accumulations. So if you are traveling region-wide, please keep that in mind. Could be deceivingly slippery into your Sunday morning. Kayla, wow, look at this. Mountains growing there. Some plate tectonics taking place. Well, no, maybe just some scooping of snow. Anyways, Saturday and Sunday remain first alert weather days for our south and southeast counties and region-wide travel, mainly impacting Saturday afternoon into the wee hours of Sunday morning. The rest of Sunday, cooler. And we cool all the way down to 1 degree on Monday, but then a warming trend carrying us to Tuesday. Can't rule out some flakes as the next weather hiccup works its way through. Again, the Twin Cities could see some substantial snow from that round of snow. For us, we're on the northern fringe of it, but it does bring cold. Mike 7 below out there on the outside a week from today. We'll keep our eyes on that changing forecast and your weekend planner right here.
Colorado lows, are we going to lose these once winter's over?
Actually, they can impact our weather in the summer as well. It's a phenomena that we watch for all year long.
All right, thanks.
Yep.
The Red River